Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh. Welcome to my channel CBF Fitness. That's conceive, believe and achieve. So guys, today I am going to give a product review of adjustable reflex bag from Max MMA. So as you know, in boxing we have different equipments to train ourselves. Like we have heavy bags to get the punching power. We have speed bag to get the speed. Similarly, we need a reflex bag to improve our reflexes. So this bag will not help you to gain strength, but it will help you to duck the punches. It will help you to improve your reflex while fighting. So what I will be covering in this review is, I will be showing you the unboxing of the product. I will be showing you how to assemble the product, and finally I will be testing the product and giving my final verdict how I find the product, whether it's for good or bad or okay. At the same time, I will give you the pricing as well as where to buy it. So let's first start. I will show you the unboxing of the product. As you can see, the Max MMA Reflex bags comes in this box, and as you can see, it's not very big box. They have nicely packaged everything, so you don't have to worry about a big box or anything. So it's very easy to carry anywhere. Even if you see, the weight is not that heavy. You can easily carry from one place to another. Packing is very good. And let me open the box and show you how each part is coming, which we have to finally assemble. This is what all you will get in the box. So this is the main platform on which the entire the reflex bag will be standing, and this we have to fill with water. So this is the base. So you have to open here and you have to fill this with the water or sand, whatever you want. And these are the standing rods on which we have to fix this bag. And they have also given the gloves. Though they are very soft, I won't say it's very great quality, but yeah, it does the job. Anyway, we don't need to hit the ball very hard, so this is fair enough gloves to train with the ball. And they also give you this pump to fill the air. I've already filled in to save the time. And along with that, they also give you the nuts and bolt to assemble the entire thing. So now I will be assembling the entire piece for you, and I will be showing you some demonstration of the bag. As you can see, I have assembled the bag. So the platform I have filled with the water. Then I have shown you earlier, there were 3 rods. So the first rod with the spring will come at the down, and as you can see, you have this adjustment here. So basically what it does is, it will control the movement of the bag. See, if I pull this and put it down, the bag will go little up. If I lose it and pull it up, so the reflex of the bag will be more. See, it will go down more. So that is the use of this particular knob. And then we have the second adjustment here and the final adjustment here. So based on your height, you can even pull it down. Suppose if a kid or someone is training, they can pull it down. If an adult is training, you can pull it up. So this can be nicely adjusted. Based on your height, you can adjust this. And based on your requirement, suppose if you are fighting a tall opponent, you can raise the thing. So you can, your thing will be, your reach, it will help you to improve your reach. So let us now hit few shots on it and see how it reacts. The product review. Now let's test the product and see how the bag works. So let's start with some basic punch. So see, jab, 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 right, jab. So you can move. See, you can move with the bag. As the bag is moving, you can move. So as you can see, it's nice. You can even duck. You can even hit. So you can duck the thing. You can ride. So this will help you to, so you can see, you can practice different punches. Like you can give a jab and you can give a hook like that. So similarly, you can give a right and the hook. So it's a nicely moving. So see, we have assembled the product, we have tested the product, and I find it real helpful. So let us talk about the price. So price for this product is $99.99, and you can buy it from eMore website as well as Amazon. I will be giving you the link subscription in my video, so you can click on that link if you wanted to buy this product. And let us now rate the product product on the build quality. So on a rate of 10, I will give it 9.5 because the product quality is really very good. Only half point I will cut for these gloves which are very thin. Apart from that, I don't find anything bad about the bag. The quality, the rod, the steel rods are very good. The box is very durable and the reflex is really nice. So on build quality, I will give it 9.5. And on the product usefulness, I really find it useful because at times, see, heavy bag needs lot of strength. So at times, if you are not in a mood of doing a heavy training, you can improve your reflexes by spending some time on this bag. And this bag can be even used by the kids also. You can just lower the adjustment and even the small kids can play with it and it's not going to harm any of them. So hope you like this review of this product and please do subscribe my channel as I will be giving lot of review on the supplements and the fitness products and please stay tuned and stay fit.